Okay, so we have a question over here. It says, what is the slope of a line that passes through the points, these points? Okay, so suppose we have a for, graph over here. Okay, and let make 2 points. For example, here is -4 and 5. For example, our first point is, for example, this is the -4 over here and the 5, which means it is the positive one, so it would be this is x and this is y, so this is x and this is y. So 2 point, for example, we can say that this is point 1 and this is point 2. Okay, so let's suppose the first our point over is over here. Okay, so that is our point, and the second point x2 is equal to 1 and 2. For example, here is 1 and here is 2. Okay, so the second point is over here. So it says, what could be the slope of the line? So first of all, we have to understand, we have to know that what could be the slope. It would be the positive one, or it would be the negative one. So in this case, we having the slope that is the negative one. For example, we are saying that the line is going downward direction. Okay, from this to this, the negative slope. Maybe I could be wrong, because let's suppose if I would take that point over here, so that slope can be but again that would be negative slope. Okay, so now we have to find out the slope. So how we would do that? We have two equation for the slope. Okay, first equation is, that is simple. If I have a one line over here, so I can say that the slope equation would be y is equal to mx plus c, where c would be the y-intercept. Y-intercept. Okay. Y, y-intercept. Okay. Now, as you can see, this equation, because we don't have any equation right now, so this equation is not applicable over here. So what is the second equation? Second equation is slope is equal to m is equal to y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. Okay, these are the second. This is the second equation. Now let's solve it. Let's put the value in their respective positions. For example, y2 is 2 and the y is 5 over here, and let's suppose, so what is our x2 is equal to 1 and minus 4, so x2 is equal to 1, so minus 4. Okay, so the fundamental equation that we will get is will be this. Okay, so now solve it. 2 minus 2 will be equal to minus 3 obviously, and when I will do that, and that would be the positive one. Okay, minus minus positive, so it will be, so the answer would be minus 3.5. Let's see, we have any. Okay, we don't have any right now. I think the point 1 is missing over here, so the answer would be the same. This would be the answer, minus 3 upon 5.